Hello everyone. Christmas cake. The most delicious cake in Christmas. The whole recipe. How to do it. Very simple with all tricks. Christmas cake. It is the time. Beautiful aroma and everybody loves in Christmas. Also, it's the fruit cake, the fruit rich cake. We will do together and how to have alternative if you don't have the same ingredients and have really tasty aroma. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younis, Sugar Emperor. If you watch me in the Facebook or Instagram, please make sure, leave the comment to let us know what is your opinion. In beginning, we start with 50 gram raisin, 50 gram dry apricot, 50 gram red cherry, and the original one, 25 gram red cherry, 25 gram green cherry. I don't have dry apricot, so I added dry plums or prunes. So also there is mix dry fruit which have three color ready made already. So if you have dry fruit mix, you can add it 100 gram plus 50 gram raisin. If you don't have, you can cut dry apricot and red cherry with raisin. I will leave, as always, the whole recipe in description box below. The original recipe, we soak all the dry fruit with rum or Captain Morgan and then leave it 3 months. This is what we do when I was working Cunard UK. We have a big container, we change every 3 months. We added all dry fruits plus Captain Morgan and 2 Jensen beer and even some vodka. But here today we make only orange juice. If you use orange juice, minimum you must soak it 2 nights. Minimum 1 day in advance. So 1 day in advance minimum to soak in wine, rum, whatever you want, but I do only orange juice. The recipe: 100 gram flour, 100 gram butter, 70 gram icing sugar. Then we have 2 eggs, 150 gram all-purpose flour, 1.5 gram baking powder. I put baking powder with the flour. I put vanilla sugar with eggs, and in the side I have 40 ml fresh milk. First I have to mix the whole butter, icing sugar. If you have hand blender or you have kitchen aid, is much better, but small quantity. I leave the butter room temperature, and as you see, I whisk it very easy. 100 gram butter, 70 gram icing sugar. When it becomes very soft, very smooth, I added 1 egg, then absorb. Then I added another egg. So I put the 2 eggs. As you see, when absorbed with the first eggs, I added the second one. Now I strain this 2 nights. I leave this fruit mix 2 nights in advance. Normally it's the same as fruit cake, which is British make wedding cake, with this amazing recipe. Can stay 1 month, 2 months without fridge and still very nice. This 2 spoons of flour, I mix it with dry fruit. Why? In this way, the dry fruit never go in the bottom of the mold. So I added the flour to the dry fruit to cover it all, and this give flying to the dough. I mixed the flour. After that I added the dry ingredients, which is dry fruit, and then I added my fresh milk. Why I added fruit in the last minute? Because if I put the dry fruit in beginning with the dough, it will change the color. Then I added the fresh milk, and this is the amazing secret touch is orange zest, which give the real aroma and the flavor, especially in last minute, to keep all the aroma and oil. One fresh orange zest for half size. Then I mix again, just to emulsify the ingredients. I have my fruit cake is ready, so tasty and beautiful. I spray the mold. This mold 20 centimeter tall, 8 centimeter wide, 6 centimeter high. So if you want to have a normal English cake, you must double the recipe. As you see, this recipe exactly for this mold. Make sure that you cover all. And now is ready for the cooking. It's very important to just settle it before you put in the oven. Is ready. I preheat 10 minutes before, 180 centigrade, 180 centigrade, 42 minutes, 40 to 45 maximum. So 180 centigrade, 40 to 45 minutes, and as you see, fantastic. Thank you for watching my channel. Please leave the comment, make sure if you like the video, and don't forget to make like.